These are the top 25 Home Depot Memorial Day tool deals that you don't want to miss. There's something for everyone here. Some of these are absolutely insane deals. Let's go. If you'd like to check out any of these tool deals, click on that View Products or Shop button here on YouTube so you can find them very easily, or I'll link them in the description and the pinned comment. And just a word of warning, a lot of these deals expire tonight at midnight on May 26, 2025. So if you see this deal and you want it, you better grab it now because tomorrow it's not going to be here. First up, the DeWALT XR cordless, brushless, fixed base compact router. One of the best compact cordless routers on the market. You get a 6 amp hour battery plus a charger plus that router for $219 off, all the way down to $199. This is regular. Just the router itself standalone is about $229 retail. This is a fantastic deal if you're in the market. Next up, RYOBI Days is happening, and there's two solid deals here that I'll tell you about. First up, this is a $99 deal, and there's several tools to choose from. If I'm picking personally, I'm going to be looking at the recip saw or that multi-tool. I've used that multi-tool a ton in the shop. It's a workhorse. It's actually really, really good. And for 99 bucks, it's almost a no-brainer. Or that little speaker, those actually sound really good. Or you can pick any of these other tools or accessories that you may need for your shop, but those are the three I like. Or if you have a little bit more budget, this is a $199 deal. I think this is the better deal because you can choose from those 1+ HP tools. These are the top of the line RYOBI tools for cordless. And there's three here again I'll choose if I had to choose. I have the RYOBI Airstrike 18-gauge brad nailer. It's a fantastic tool. I've had it for a couple of years now. It's awesome. I also have this circular saw. It's also very good. I actually have this one too. This is the one-handed recip saw. All of these are really great. The only thing I'm not a huge fan of is that stick vacuum. This works okay, but I like these other tools better in my opinion. And for $199 plus the 3 batteries and a charger, you better grab them. Next up, one of the most popular tools of 2025 so far has been the Milwaukee M18 5-inch random orbital sander. This is usually $299 without a battery. Now it comes with the battery. It's $80 off, and you get a 5.0 XC battery with it for $269. This is one of those deals that a lot of people have been waiting on, and it's probably time to get it. If you're waiting on a cordless sander deal, I have one of those coming up. But first, you got to check out my website after this deal video, of course. Go to 731woodworks.com, click on the Tool Deals button, and you'll see where I have been posting a bunch of deals, Memorial Day deals from Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, and all over the internet. If you need to find deals on tools, this is your one-stop shop, 731woodworks.com. Next up, one of the craziest deals I've seen so far on Memorial Day. This one does expire at midnight. So if you want it, go get it. This is the Milwaukee M12 installation driver, a 4-in-1 installation driver. You get those 4 different heads you can swap out. The 90-degree head and that offset head is by far my 2 favorite accessories. I've had this drill for a couple of years. I've been an advocate for this drill. I think it's the perfect drill for the shop. It's not super powerful, but it does get you into tight spaces, drill holes, drive screws, different things like that. And you're getting a soldering iron if you need that with this. But even if you don't, this is regularly $229 retail, just the driver kit itself. But right now you can get it with that soldering iron, $194 off, brings it all the way down to $169. Even if it didn't have the soldering iron in here, at $169, this is a steal. Next up, the DeWALT planer. In my previous Memorial Day deal video, we actually shown one of these planers, but this one's cheaper, $599. You get $260 off. It was $859, all the way down to $599. This won't last long. These only go on sale at this price a few times a year, maybe 3 times a year-ish. And so if you need this, you better grab it. Or if you need a rolling stand with it, this deal is still going for Memorial Day for a couple more days. This is $237 off. You do get the rolling stand with it, plus the same DeWALT DW735X for $699. Only $100 difference. Just depends on if you need that stand or not. RIDGID fans, don't worry, we have you covered too. This is a complete kit, an 8-tool combo kit with 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger, plus all the tools you see here. $220 off, was $599, all the way down to $379. Plus, you, of course, get that lifetime service agreements. Next up, I have this combo kit in my shop right now. I've had it for a few years now. This also expires at midnight, so if you want a nailer kit, this might be the time to grab it. The Porter Cable 6-gallon portable air compressor with a 16-gauge finish nailer, an 18-gauge brad nailer, and a 23-gauge pin nailer. Basically getting all your nailers covered in one combo kit, plus the compressor and the hose, all for $120 off until midnight, $229 on sale. Solid deal. Next up, the sander deal. I promise this is the Bosch 6-inch sander. I put this up against the Festool Rotex. I have a whole video on this sander. This is as good as the Festool Rotex in my opinion, and it's about half the price of a Festool Rotex. $299 off. You're saving $30 off right now on this sander. 6 inches. It has gear-driven mode and regular sanding mode. Just a solid higher-end sander for $299. Before we get to the rest of these deals, don't forget to click that shop button or view products button here on YouTube to see all of these deals. Now, this is the RYOBI 1+ HP track saw combo kit. I've reviewed this and many other track saws. If you need a track saw just to cut down plywood or MDF, this is a solid option for you and $100 off. It was $399 all the way down to $299. You can't plunge with this saw, plunge cut, but for breaking down sheet goods, it's a solid option. Next up, the whole Dozer saw kit. I have one of these in the shop. Again, I have a bunch of this stuff in the shop. This was $384 all the way down to $179, saving you $205 off today only. So if you need a whole saw kit, these are very, very good. And again, saving you a lot of money only today. The RYOBI Speedbench is $20 off. This is not the deal I would buy, though, on the Speedbench. This is a fantastic little workbench, extra work surface in your shop. I did a whole review video of this as well. It goes from dolly mode, or, well, I was corrected to say hand truck mode. I call it a dolly, all the way up to a workbench very easily. If you're looking to conserve space or you just need a temporary work surface, this is a good little option. However, this is a better deal over here. You get the same workbench, and then you get the small parts organizer with it for $173. Versus $179, so you're saving money and you also get that organizer. Or there's even one that has a little bit bigger organizer for $178. These are the two options I would choose, this one or this one. Next up, Milwaukee M18 fans can get a free tool with this kit. This comes with 2 6-amp-hour batteries and a charger, and you get to choose a free tool. Jigsaw, sander, blower, drill, several other tools here to choose from for $299, saving you $50 off. Or if you're looking for a Milwaukee M12 deer, I have a couple in this video for you, but this one is the M12 Fuel Surge, the 1/4-inch hex impact driver combo kit, 2 batteries, plus you get to choose a free tool of your choice. I actually like the ratchet in this kit, but you can choose one of these other tools as well. Solid deal here, only $179. Probably one of the most underrated drill combos on the internet, if you look around, is this one. I'm a huge fan of the 1+ HP. I have this drill combo kit in the shop, have had it for a while. Top of the line RYOBI tools, comes with 2 1.5-amp-hour batteries, plus the drill, plus the impact, plus the charger for $30 off right now, $150. If you're just starting out or you're just on a budget and you want a good cordless set, grab this one. And of course, if you have those drills and drivers, you need things to drill holes with and drive screws with, and this is a solid deal here. $20 off, $19.97 off this Shockwave Impact Duty titanium drill bit set and the screwdriver bit set. I have a screwdriver bit set from Milwaukee. These things hold up well. Like you're not seeing a bunch of wear and tear on these things. They just drive a lot of screws. Really nice. This deal comes around fairly often, so if you don't need it right now, you could probably get it sometime later, but it's still a solid deal. The DeWALT 20-volt multi-tool combo kit for $99, saving you $120. RYOBI has their carbide router bit set, 15-piece set on sale for $30. Was $70 all the way down to $39, or $69 all the way down to $39. This might be a solid set to get started with. I'm not saying these are the top of the line set like Whiteside or Freud, but you're also not paying that price for those. If you're on a budget, you're looking for a starter kit, this could be it. Next up, the Milwaukee M18 half-inch hammer drill driver kit. 3 5-amp-hour batteries, $189 off. I have this one in my cart. I'm fixing to check out with this. 17 hours left, so this one expires tonight at midnight. You get in the hammer drill plus those 3 batteries and the hard case that comes with it. Solid deal. If you're looking for a Milwaukee M12 battery deal, these are $159 for a 4-pack of 3 amp hour batteries, basically making these like $40 a battery, $39.75 a battery. This is time to stock up. And speaking of stocking up, if you need to stock up on some wood glue, Titebond 3, 2 gallons of it for $60, saving you $14.90 or 20% off, basically making these $29.79 per gallon. If you need some Titebond 3, here it is. Next up, the RYOBI Link 15-piece wall storage kit, $30 off. It was $129 all the way down to $99. I have this in the shop. I have a whole video on RYOBI Link if you want to go check it out. They have drill organizers, battery organizers, all kind of stuff to get your tools up off the workbench and onto the wall organized. This is a really cool little setup, and for 30 bucks off, might be time to get started with it. Next up are 2 insane Memorial Day deals, and a lot of people didn't even know that RYOBI makes riding lawnmowers. This is an 80-volt, 42-inch cordless riding lawn tractor with the batteries and the charger. It's $2,000 off, 40% off for Memorial Day. It was $5,000 all the way down to $3,000 if you need a lawn tractor, or if you need a zero turn or you're just a fan of zero turn, this one's $1,000 off. This was $5,000 all the way down to $4,000 zero turn plus the batteries, everything you need to get started cutting the grass. With a RYOBI zero turn, $1,000 or $2,000 off, depending on the mower. Absolutely insane. There's a ton more deals on my website. Don't forget 730bonewoodworks.com. Click on that Tool Deals button, and it's going to take you to the Tool Deals page. You can sign up for my daily Tool Deals email so you don't miss any deals at all, so you can save the most money possible. And then you can check out all of these other deals. That daily deals email is absolutely free. Last but certainly not least, let's not forget the absolute reason for this holiday. It's Memorial Day. Take some time today to remember those who gave the ultimate sacrifice so that we can enjoy the freedoms that we have and a lot of times take for granted today. They have paid the ultimate price for us. There's 20 more Memorial Day deals that you probably missed from Lowe's, Amazon, and a lot of other places. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump. Go watch that video so you don't miss any.